Ano ang opinion mo tungkol sa mga karapatan ng LGBT sa lipunan?
Since we are all human beings, I think they should also be accepted. But then, not to the point na i-tolerate po ano lang ang wrongdoings. Ang uban po kay wala mo ma-exceed naman. Sige.
Pabor ba kayo sa same-sex marriage at bakit?
No.
Bakit?
It's because I still believe in the sanctity of marriage, and I am faithful to Catholic, so I still don't accept same-sex marriage. That's it.
Pabor ba kayo na maging ganap na batas ang SOGI Bill at bakit?
I'm still undecided whether to accept that soju bill. But then, the reason I'm undecided is because when I think if they're given a chance to have that freedom, that kind of freedom, they will take advantage and then proceed to doing things. Kira?
Ano ang opinion mo tungkol sa karapatan ng LGBTQ sa lipunan?
Actually, it's for the equality of for everybody, because we cannot really deny that it is really happening. So bakit isa na yung masasabi ko, yun na yun, wala tayong change sa nangyari sa lipunan natin. It happens. So we will adopt the equality for the sake of the humanity.
Number 2. Pabor ba kayo sa same-sex marriage at bakit?
For me, it's the sanctity of the for me, kung pag-usapan natin ang sanctity sa church, it is not okay because we are man and woman is created to the earth. Pero in the rules of the society, kumbaga sa ating lipunan, kung wala yung basbas sa church, it's okay. So kung same-sex marriage, you can have the marriage to the law, to the judge or to the municipality, but sa same-sex marriage between to the religion or sa church, I think it's not okay for them.
Pabor ba kayo sa maging ganap na batas na SOGI bill at bakit?
For me, sa Soji Bill ba yun, no? Soji Bill. Actually, it's not, I'm new to that bill and I just heard that bill. But if I'm able to read the content, how is it being applied and what is really set rules for that law, I would approve or magpabibigay akong pabor, or I will say yes to that bill. But then I'm not able to hear or read the whole content of that bill, so it could be maybe. So thank you.
Thank you, sir. Go.
Ano ang opinion mo tungkol sa karapatan ng LGBT sa lipunan?
Okay. For me, okay ra jud kaayo na ko nga kuan ng LGBT kay most of my kuan friends magud kay gay, then comfortable man ko nila, then funny man sila to be with. So okay ra jud kay na ko na siya.
Second question. Pabor ba kayo sa same-sex marriage?
Of course. If love nila ang usat-usa de for the go. Okay na to.
Third question. Pabor ba kayo sa maging ganap na batas ang SOGI bill? Bakit?
Yeah, okay kay siya kay ano. If wala to siya,
ang mga kwan bitaw part sa LGBT gina-discriminate gihapon. Di gihapon siya ginakuan kana ang naiuban nga tawo nga discriminate gihapon sila.
Sige, ano ang opinion mo tungkol sa mga karapatan ng LGBTQ sa lipunan?
LGBTQ. Ang ating opinion is maging sino ka man, mayroong karapatan. Oo. Kahit ano, ang anyo natin, basta tao ang tinutukoy mo, mayroong karapatan. Oh, so. Number 2, sige.
Pabor ba kayo sa same-sex marriage? Bakit?
Walang same-sex marriage, wala yun. Kaya, hindi pwedeng pabor o hindi kasi walang same-sex marriage. So, the question is wrong.
Pabor ba kayo na maging ganap na batas ang Sugi Bill? Bakit?
Kahit walang batas, walang discrimination. Sabi ko kanina, tayo ay may karapatan bilang tao. Kahit walang batas, walang discrimination. So, hindi na kailangan pang maging batas. Kasi, bilang tao tayo, mayroon tayong karapatan. Diba yun? Kasi, kapag walang batas, ibig bang sabihin mag-discriminate tayo? Hindi, pwede. Kahit walang batas, mayroon tayong karapatan bilang isang tao. Oh? Kasi hindi tayo hayop, hindi tayo langgam. Kahit lalaki ba o babae. Ano? So, hindi tayo maghintay pa maging batas yun para lang walang discrimination.
Ano ang opinion mo tungkol sa karapatan ng LGBT sa lipunan?
Ang aking opinion at saloobin sa karapatan ng LGBT ay tungkol sa karapatang pantao nila. Ang mga membro ng LGBT na may karelasyon ay limitado ang mga benepisyo, lalong-lalo na sa mga benepisyo kaugnay ng pagkakaroon ng sariling pamilya.
Number 2, pabor ba kayo sa same-sex marriage? Bakit?
Para sa akin ay oo, dahil bakit natin ang hadlangan ang mga taong nagmamahalan kung wala naman silang ginagawang masama at wala naman silang inaapakang tao?
Pabor ba kayo na maging ganap na batas ang Sugi Bill? Bakit?
Oo, dahil ito ay magbibigay ng karapatan para sa ating mga LGBT.
Ano ang opinion mo tungkol sa karapatan ng LGBTQ sa lipunan?
The rights of LGBT in the community is not that really we are deprived by our liberty and rights. Sometimes we are discriminated and we are not given the opportunity in the workplace at the same time and even in the household right now because some of the family have endured the traditional one setup of family, so that's why the rights of every LGBT in the community is not that very high right now. And hopefully someday we will gonna find and look and achieve those rights that we wanted, as same as the normal. Actually, we are no normal, but they are labeled as a normal person. So that's it.
Number 2, pabor ba kayo sa same-sex marriage? Bakit?
For me, I am not favor in same-sex marriage, but I am in favor in same-sex union, giving the rights of every person to love each other, whether it's same gender or not the same gender. Kasi, we will give also respect to the Holy One, kung ano yung nakabase sa Holy One, kung ano yung nasa Bible na kung sino lang ikasal sa church. So, hindi ako pabor sa same-sex marriage, but in the sense of union, it's okay.
Number 3, pabor ba kayo na maging ganap na batas ang Sugi Bill? Bakit?
Okay, as LGBT member, I am not favor, with all due respect, I'm not favor in Soji Bill, Why? Because we have already the 1987 Constitution, which is giving the rights of every Filipino person. Nandun na kasi yung mga rights natin, and why we should over-limit our rights. Bakit maghahanap pa tayo ng ibang mga rights natin? When it comes, ang dami-dami ng rights and ang dami ng problem, and hindi na dapat nating dagdagan. Okay na yung kung ano ang meron na doon sa ating mga laws and provisions. That's okay. Nandun na din yung mga discrimination against genders. Nandun na yon. Bakit pa tayo maghahanap ng iba pang mga bills and rights and laws? It's okay na meron na 1987 Constitution. That's it.
Thank you.